We guide you through how to fix a PayPal payment declined error. First, make sure your bank account, debit card, or credit card linked to PayPal is active, has enough available funds, and hasn't expired. Next, confirm that your billing address and card details exactly match the information on file with your bank, since even a small mismatch can cause a payment to be rejected. Then, check if your PayPal account is verified and look for any notification asking you to confirm your identity or resolve account limitations. If you are paying online, try using a different payment method or remove and re-add your card to refresh the connection. You should also clear your browser cache, switch browsers, or use PayPal mobile app to rule out browser-related issues. If the payment is still declined, contact your bank to see if they are blocking the transaction due to the security checks, then reach out to PayPal support. If everything on the bank side looks fine, following this resolve most PayPal payment decline error and help you complete your payment successfully.